Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply the Olaplex No. 3 treatment to my type 4 natural hair. When I apply the Olaplex to my hair, I section my hair and make sure my hair is damp before smoothing the treatment onto my hair. And right now my hair is freshly washed, but it's starting to dry out a little bit, so I'm spraying my sections with a little water first from a spray bottle to make sure my hair is damp. And when I first used this treatment, my hair was a little dry, and I noticed that the product didn't glide smoothly onto my hair when it was dry, so that made it more difficult to apply it. So I would definitely recommend following what it says on the bottle and applying it to damp hair. And I'm really loving this treatment, and I'm definitely seeing really fast results after using it about once per week for about a month. And this treatment says it's for all hair types, including straight, wavy, curly, coiled, and tightly coiled hair. And it says that it's a concentrated treatment that strengthens the hair from within, reducing breakage and improving the look and feel of the hair. And I've definitely noticed that after using the treatment a few times, my hair feels a lot softer and stronger, and it looks a lot shinier. And I've also noticed that my twist outs and braid outs have been coming out a lot more defined. The key benefits of the Olaplex No. 3 treatment are that it addresses damaged and compromised hair, strengthens and protects hair structure, and restores the healthy appearance and texture of the hair by relinking the broken disulfide bonds caused by chemical, thermal, and mechanical damage to the hair. And I have some heat damage, and I've noticed that the overall look of my curl pattern has been looking more defined after using this treatment. And this treatment is also paraben and sulfate free. And after leaving the treatment on for a few hours, I washed it out with the Melanin Hair Care African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo, and I deep conditioned with the African Pride Moisture Miracle Moroccan Clay and Shea Butter Heat Activated Mask, and conditioned with the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Conditioner. Thank you guys so much for watching, and comment below if you've ever tried Olaplex on your natural hair, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!